It's a Sunday afternoon coming evening here in the Walleye Creek bushland area. It's in the centre of Sydney near the airport, and the people are fighting to try and preserve and protect this last bit of bushland that we have. But because where it's located, there are distant sounds that are of the city, unfortunately. But the purpose of this video today is it's another meditation I plan to guide to help people out. It's on the topic that we're all, well, most of us are very familiar with. Doing a meditation to protect you from psychopathic narcissists. Now, this topic I've come to learn is quite an important one. All of us have experienced them one way or another in our lives, whether it's at work, whether it's a neighbour. In my case, it's a neighbour, even though I've remained silent for a good 8 years because I could see there was not normal behaviour with that person. So what I did was I've just not communicated with that person and treated them like they didn't exist, thinking that might be the solution, but it wasn't exactly the solution for it. So I've been doing a meditation technique in the past 2 weeks now, and I'm finding it's very, very empowering, and it's all about sending unconditional love to those who try and abuse you. It's so powerful because I guess it's an energy they're not used to receiving, and when they do get it, they don't know what to do with it. So yes, I'm reaching out to all the people who are starting to ascend into the 5-dimensional frequencies, all the beautiful wildlife warriors that are out there. You know, one way or another, we've encountered these kind of characters. So with that said, it's the true power of the universe is unconditional love, and it's a way of using it to heal the earth, heal yourself and heal others. At the end of the day, it's the God force or the life force that will deal with things accordingly. But in this instance, I'll channel a particular meditation now that will help. I'll do a write-up to support this video when I do make it live on Facebook and on other channels. And yeah, it's all about empowering yourself and in a way healing the one that's really trying to throw quite a lot of abuse to get a reaction from you. And in a funny kind of a way, I understand now, you know, they are a different kind of a teacher. So I'm the teacher, but I'm also the student, and vice versa. So whoever it is that we have in our lives, there are different ways to deal with the situations in an empowering, loving way. So just relax with me, and I'll guide the meditation live while I'm here in this little bit of bushland. So take a deep breath, inhale the golden light into your inner being, into the heart, and you feel this beautiful gold and silver light as it's glowing and enveloping around you, healing, purifying, raising your vibrations. And the beautiful energy of love, the emerald green and pink, is filling your heart with unconditional love. And now I highly recommend for you to visualize whoever that person is that's throwing abuse or bullying or whatever attack they may be doing, wherever they are. Visualize their higher self, the God self that we all have, and that beautiful infinite God self that shines brightly above them, 4 chakras above the head, as beautiful white light stars, and you see the angel above, and you connect with their higher self to allow this particular way of being to dissolve, to disappear. And then you visualize the beautiful unconditional love pouring from your heart. The emerald green and pink light is pouring from your heart into their heart, healing, purifying, loving. And as you feel them with that energy of unconditional love, you see them at peace, and you see them moving away from you and healing on every level. And when you are ready, just bring yourself back into your room where you are right now. Fill yourself with a white light to seal your chakras. And it's now that I'll be ending this particular short meditation. I hope you've enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. And I'll send a write-up to you showing you how to work with it and to empower yourself and all those around you. So when that person's trying to harm you in any way, just block them, say no, stop. But in your own time, in a quiet space, a loving space, that's when you visualize their higher self and you send the love to their heart. And you'll find over time, you will become empowered, you will be healed, you will be strong, and you'll find that person will just drift away slowly, slowly, slowly. And for those that I know who are quite evolved, it's another beautiful spiritual 5D person that shared this knowledge with me. And they've literally watched those people that have tried to make life a living hell for them pack up, leave, and move somewhere else. So in whichever way it may be, but it's by sending that unconditional love to heal whatever that wound may be. And it's something they're not familiar with, they don't understand, and they're not used to, and this is where you can make the change. So by healing your enemies, you can heal the earth, and we continue to help raise the Mother Earth in 5-dimensional frequency that she's moving into now. That's why we're going through so many changes. So many of us are waking up, and the greatest truth and the greatest power is within you. So remember to focus on yourself, to be quiet in that beautiful part of yourself. For all of us wildlife carers, it's easy because the secrets of God and the secrets of the earth are in the trees and are in the wildlife. And I'll just share this beautiful place that I'm in right now.